guys, hope you all doing well. In today's video I will be doing my makeup without a mirror. So I'm not very good at makeup with a mirror, let alone without one, so I think this is gonna be very interesting. I got even my viewfinder right now, so it's a little bit weird, like it's just me, the camera, I don't see myself, and I ain't got any mirrors right here, so it's gonna be weird, but I'm ready for this, and I've really wanted to do this video for a long time, so without any further rambling, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna start up with the foundation, which is Dream Radiant Liquid from Maybelline New York, my very beloved foundation. I mean, I've been using this for years and I'm very happy with it. I don't even know like where to look. I ain't got the viewfinder, I ain't got the mirror, and I was just like, where's my mirror? But hooray, I can't use a mirror. So it's weird. Start and blend, and I think the key to this challenge is to blend more than less, because I mean if you blend more then it's alright, but if you get like patches on your face and all of that, then that's gonna be really weird. And yeah, it's just weird because on this challenge we base purely on our senses. Like, I mean, how do I know where do I have like foundation on? It's very tricky. So I hope I did a good job, because I keep add foundation. I'd rather have like more than like have patches, because I'm gonna be really annoyed when I'm gonna edit this video. Next I'm gonna go with this concealer Instant Anti-Age Eraser from Maybelline New York. It's a little bit of a pain to get out this, but hopefully I'm putting it in the right place. I don't know where to look, and I don't know if I'm making it right. Like, how much did I add, where did I add? It's just strange. Like, I hope I blended alright. If not, then it's a disaster. I mean, if you don't do your base alright-ish, then how are you gonna do the rest? The next I'm gonna use my beloved Made Maker Maybelline powder and just powder all my face. I was just thinking, I think it's easier to actually use your fingers while doing this makeup rather than like the beauty blender, because actually you can feel your skin. Moving on into the eyes, maybe the most difficult part. Actually the most difficult part, the eyes, because I mean I'm wondering how I'm gonna do them. Moving on into the eyebrows, I'm gonna use my NYX Professional Makeup Tinted Brow Mascara, and I'm just gonna try to find my eyebrows. I've seen so many videos people doing this type of challenge, and I'm like, how on earth do you do it like so accurate? Like, you must be cheating. You clearly must be cheating, because you can't find it. Like, I mean, let's try. I mean, just trying to find where are my eyebrows, like here, but then how I'm not poking myself in the eye. How do people actually do this? Just trying to you know, guide myself on the fact that I'm not doing this on my skin. So I mean, it's just weird. I think I'm doing a horrendous job. I can feel it already. Oh no, I definitely did it on my skin right here. Oh Jesus. I could tell already that I did an awful job on my eyebrows. I can feel it, but I can't reach for my mirror to correct it, so you're gonna bear it with me and, you know, see a clown for the rest of the video. Anyway, I think the eyes are literally like the hardest part, because I'm so afraid to not poke myself now while doing my eyeshadow, but we're just gonna move on. So the next I'm gonna use this Bare It All eyeshadow palette in these neutral shadows, which I really like them. I'm gonna use this shadow called Concealed, so I'm just gonna apply on my whole eyelid and on the upper side of the eye. And yeah, I just added some tape on my eye, so that is gonna help a little bit. And yeah, I didn't use a mirror to put them either, so yeah. The next I'm gonna use the shade Naked Eye and just try to define my crease. And this is where the tricky part starts, because I mean, if I'm messing up this, then my whole look is messed up. No, if it's not messed up already. I'm just gonna try to not poke myself in the eye. That's the challenge. I could easily take a nap right now, because I can't see anything, and I know that I'm messing it up so bad. Like, you just laugh. I can see you laughing there. I can see you laughing. The next I'm gonna take this brush and just try to blend, just try to not laugh, okay? The next I'm gonna take the shade All Natural and try to apply on my eyelid this very shimmery shade, which I very much love. Okay, do I look like a clown? Because I feel that I look like one. And next I'm gonna move on my eyeliner, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Expert liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna try to not poke myself in the eye. I think that's gonna be my challenge for the next 5 minutes or so. Yeah, I know it's bad. Jesus Christ. The funniest thing is that you know how I look right now and you're gonna laugh at me till the end of the video, but I just need to see how I look and I can't because I didn't finish. That's gonna be weird. I mean, it's already weird. Now I'm gonna just remove these tapes. Not that they helped. I mean, I hope they did. Yeah, and I'm just gonna move on the bronzer, and I'm using Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. The next I'm gonna move to the blush, and I'm gonna use Sweet Cheeks Glow from NYX. Almost forgot the eyelashes, so I'm gonna use the Scandalous Wow Wings from Rimmel London. At least these ones you can feel them. Next I'm gonna use this little lip balm just to hydrate my lips. And the last step, I'm gonna use this highlighter from Barry M. Use, I think, this shade. And just try to add a little bit. I know it's not the right brush for the highlighter, but I can't be bothered to get the right one. I know that's really bad. I just can't wait to see what a mess I did on my face. And last I'm gonna use this Slick Made Me Metallic, so I'm not gonna do any contour whatsoever because I think that is too difficult. I'm just gonna do my best trying to apply the last bit of this failure called makeup. Okay, so I think it's time for the big reveal, and I'm so terrified and so scared. Yeah, gotta do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so freaking bad. Seriously, oh, I thought bad, but I never thought this bad. This is absolutely horrendous. Oh my god, everything is just so bad. Like, you could tell it's ridiculous. God, I felt that you're gonna laugh, but like, I hope you had fun and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe to see more of my future videos, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Until next time, bye.